Where do we look? There? Yeah.
We're gonna try and sneeze with our eyes open.
This is so weird.
I can't even. Oh, what the heck?
Pedro, you okay? This is so
Oh,
weird.
did he just sneeze?
Oh, it's so weird.
I can't even roll up. Piece of thing.
I can't. Oh wait. I'm scarred.
I look so stupid.
I can't.
I can't do it.
I can't.
It has to be a really pointy part. Oh, there, that's gonna be. Oh, look at that one.
I'm almost afraid to sneeze and boogers will come out.
You go on my shoulder.
I can't.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Look at the tickling.
I'm gonna cry. I'm just watching you.
Oh, God.
Oh my god!
Did it work? Ah! I'll do it again. Oh. My eyes open? Were they open? They were open? Oh, yeah. Oh, well, you see with my glasses off. I'll do it again. Pro at this.
Oh my god! I'll just watch.
You can't make me laugh. Oh, shit. Huh? Eyes open. Try it. Sneeze with the eyes open. Oh, it's so good. Oh, my God, it's crying.